Owens Corning offers a portfolio of Thermafiber RainBarrier mineral wool insulation products to address the growing need for continuous insulation in wall applications. Thermafiber RainBarrier semi-rigid insulation boards are designed to fit between the cladding attachments such as ties, girts, and clip and rail systems. Thermafiber RainBarrier dark insulation provides camouflaging behind open joint and perforated panels. Thermafiber RainBarrier CI high compressive insulation is designed to support strapping such as hat channels fastened directly through the insulation. Thermafiber RainBarrier insulation products can be installed in a wide variety of popular wall assemblies and cladding types. The first wall assembly example is a CMU wall with a brick veneer cladding. Thermafiber RainBarrier semi-rigid insulation is designed to fit between the CMU ladder joint reinforcement I-wires without the need for cutting or notching. Before installing the insulation, an air and water resistant barrier is applied to the CMU wall to provide protection from air leakage and moisture intrusion. Once the WRB has been applied, Thermafiber RainBarrier insulation boards are friction fitted between the ties. Thermafiber RainBarrier clips are used to secure the insulation boards. The clips are secured to the wire ties utilizing the clip's center notch. Pinto wire ties are inserted into the I-wires of the CMU ladder joint reinforcement. The second wall assembly example is a steel stud wall with a brick veneer cladding. Exterior gypsum sheathing boards with water-resistant cores and fiberglass mat facers are secured to the steel studs. The gypsum sheathing is prepared for the WRB application by first treating the joints per manufacturer's guide recommendations. Next, a WRB is applied to the exterior gypsum sheathing. Two types of brick ties are shown here, plate and barrel style anchor ties. Barrel style anchors are designed to be inserted through the Thermafiber RainBarrier semi-rigid insulation boards and screwed into the steel framing per manufacturer's guide recommendations. Pinto wire ties are inserted into the holes in the anchor head. The reinforced plastic anchor head provides a thermal break between the anchor and the pinto tie. The third wall assembly example is a steel stud wall with Z-girts. Exterior gypsum sheathing and the WRB are installed first. Thermafiber RainBarrier semi-rigid insulation boards are used with Z-girts. Z-girts are made from galvanized steel or thermally efficient composite materials. They are typically pre-punched with slots to allow for moisture drainage. While the top edge of the insulation is held by the Z-girt, the bottom edge of the insulation boards require additional fasteners, such as stick pins or washers. Thermafiber impasse locking washers are fastened to the Z-girts to secure the insulation boards. Once the Z-girts and Thermafiber RainBarrier insulation have been installed, the wall is ready for attachment of the exterior cladding. A Terracotta panel system is shown here. The fourth wall assembly example is a steel stud wall with a clip and rail system. Prior to installing the clip and rail system, the exterior gypsum sheathing and WRB are installed. Three popular styles of clips are shown here. The clips are spaced and fastened through to the steel framing per the clip manufacturer's specifications. Thermafiber RainBarrier semi-rigid insulation boards are installed around the clips. Follow clip manufacturer's recommendations for insulation securement. In this example, the rail component is a metal hat channel fastened to the clips. Metal panels or other cladding systems are attached to the rails per manufacturer's specifications. When perforated or open joint panels are used as the exterior cladding, Thermafiber RainBarrier dark semi-rigid insulation is used to camouflage the insulation. Manufacturers of cladding support systems also typically offer their components in black finishes. The final wall assembly example is a steel stud wall with hat channels installed over Thermafiber RainBarrier CI high compressive insulation. The exterior gypsum sheathing and WRB are installed. The Thermafiber RainBarrier CI high compressive insulation will be secured to the wall using hat channels and long screws. Hat channels are available with pre-punched slots to facilitate water drainage. The hat channels are fastened to the steel framing members. A tube sealer around the screw fastener will help to seal the fastener penetration in the WRB. Since the screws create a relatively small thermal bridge compared to girts or clips, this is one of the best installation methods for maximizing insulation performance. Metal panels or other exterior cladding systems are then attached to the hat channels per the cladding manufacturer's specifications.